विसवा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. पेट्रोल दिसान दीस तापत आसा. शुक्रारा परत पेट्रोलाच्या दरांत वाड जाल्या. अंदू वर्सा पेट्रोलाचे दर खंय पावत ते सांगूं येना. मात बाकीच्या राज्याचे तुलनेत गोंयांत मातसो सुशेग आसा अशें म्हणूं येता. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
As far as petrol hike is concerned, this is a perennial affair going on for the last 1 or 2 years. Though it has been said that it is linked to the dollar rate, but finally it is the consumers who are feeling the brunt of it. As a petrol pump owner, our investment day by day goes up. There are been, whenever there are increases, we may earn, there are decreases, but that has become a part of our system now. And every day the rates are being changed, one. But secondly, not as only a pump owner, I am also a consumer. I have my own cars, own trucks, whereby fuel prices, if it affects whole financial system. It is not first time, but if you look at the trend, earlier it used to be like there used to be a budget shock or a March ending shock where 1 or 2 rupees were being increased, and there used to be certain opposition who would make some issues, rollback or such things were going. But here now, since the government has already taken that it is been linked to some system, and then there is hardly anything that I'm not a politician, but then as a business person, I feel our investments are going up. Consumers are also feeling. We also see a trend of especially petrol sale and all that has got a lot of impact. Only when there is tourism, people have no other option than to fill it.